Hello everyone, my name is Tim and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. And I'm here today to talk to you guys about the differences in hidden cameras. The hidden camera section on our website covers everything from pen cameras to clock radios and everything in between. There are major differences between all of these devices and I'm here today to weed you through the different types. We can break down this area into two major sections, with each of those sections having their own little subsections within them. I personally like to break it down to what I call body-worn cameras and nanny cameras. Think of a body-worn camera as a mobile hidden camera that's quite literally designed to be carried with you, like a pen, button, glasses, or even a watch. These capture both video and audio internally to some sort of storage, either an SD card or an internal memory. They come equipped with a rechargeable battery and you can review the footage you've captured through your computer. Now the battery lives on these devices range anywhere between, let's say, 30 minutes and a few hours, just depending on the device. So you can see that these are really designed to record small sections of video as you need it. Some use cases for body-worn cameras would be verbal abuse, sexual harassment, professional uses like secret shopping and private investigator work, child custody issues, recording school lectures, and many more. It's pretty much just any time you need to have proof or recall what someone said. With all that being said, every body-worn camera is unique. I highly recommend watching the video for the specific product you're interested in so you can see the quality for yourself. I put together some sample footage of a couple of different body-worn cameras that we offer so you can get an idea of what I'm talking about here. Take a look. Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration for the 1080p IR watch. Now we're going to do a couple of tests in the store as well as outside, but in order to do those tests for you guys, we're going to have to start a recording. Let me actually show you how to do that. Okay, so now all the video and audio you're hearing currently is actually being done by the watch itself. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio and video quality of our recorders. This is done in a normal speaking volume.
Awesome. Okay, so now we're going to take the 1080p IR watch outside. This is the 1080p IR watch outside. Keep in mind that the wind can affect audio quality. Alright, so this is daytime footage. And then in a moment I'm going to turn off the lights and then turn on the night vision so you can see what that looks like. Okay, so this is our back room. You can tell it's very, very dark back here. Only light is being emitted is from the actual monitors. And then let me go ahead and turn the IR on for you guys. Okay. And then I'll grab a product so you can see what it looks like. Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration for the 1080p spy glasses. Now we're going to do a couple of different tests for you today, some in the store and some outside, but in order to do these tests we have to start recording. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so now all of the video and audio you're hearing currently is being done by the glasses themselves. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio and video quality of our recorders.
Excellent. Okay, so now we're going to bring the 1080p spy glasses outside. This is the 1080p spy glasses outside. Keep in mind that the wind can affect audio quality. Hello everyone, today what we're doing is a quality demonstration of the 720p Spy pen. Now we're going to do a couple of different tests for you guys, but in order to do those tests we have to start a recording. Let me show you how to do that. Okay, so now all of the video and audio you're hearing currently is actually being done by the pen itself. How you doing, Kenny?
Doing great, how are you?
Good, thank you.
So this is something we've been doing for years in our retail locations to demonstrate the audio and video quality of our recorder.
So now for our next test, I'm going to take the 720p Spy pen outside. Here is demo footage of the 720p Spy pen outdoors on a cloudy day. To give you an idea of how covert body-worn cameras can really be, I've actually been wearing this Bluetooth camera the entire time. This is something that records video and audio, and it naturally looks wherever you're looking just because it's attached to your head. I really like this model in particular. Now, on the other hand, we have nanny cameras. These devices are designed to be stationary and are typically designed for long-term capture, meaning they are meant to be sitting in one spot, like a clock here, and record events over a period of time. Since they are stationary, they typically plug into the wall as well, so you don't need to worry about batteries. Nanny cameras only record video. Since they are designed to be left behind, they offer additional features like motion activation and remote viewing to make it so you can conveniently view the camera while you're away. And since it's motion activated, you're not going to have to sift through hours and hours of useless video. Now, all of the videos are located on an SD card hidden within the body of the device. Like this one, it's in the back here, and then on the clocks, it's usually behind some sort of a back panel here. Now, depending on the camera and the size of the SD card will dictate how long it'll actually record for. The most common uses for nanny cameras are child abuse, elderly abuse, theft, security, and just much more anytime you need a long-term hidden camera. Just being able to log into the camera remotely to see what's going on is a huge plus. Every single nanny camera we sell has a video made for it so you can see firsthand the field of view and quality. I highly recommend watching it so you can get a feel for how it will perform in your environment. I put together some sample footage of different nanny cameras randomly that we offer just to give you an idea of how they work.
Here is demo footage of the AC adapter hidden spy camera. All of the video you are looking at was filmed at the height of a normal outlet, so you can see exactly what it would look like when plugged in at your home or business. It has a 15-degree upward-facing angle. That is why it gets such a good field of view even though it's mounted extremely low. As you can see, the AC adapter records in full high-definition 1080p at 30 frames per second. Now guys, keep in mind that the Wi-Fi AC adapter does not record any audio and that this is an audio overlay. I set this camera around several areas to give you guys an idea of resolution and quality. I not only used a stand and set it on a table, but I also mount it to a wall to give you guys an idea of what type of angle it would give you in both situations. Keep in mind that this is an audio overlay and that this camera does not actually record any audio. Alrighty guys, what you're looking at is a quality demonstration for the Wi-Fi 1080p mini clock camera. Now, I set this camera in several areas around the office to give you guys an idea of what the camera would look like in different lighting conditions. I mounted it at several different heights as well and had it pointed at computer screens, hallways, etc. Just things to give you guys an idea of what the camera may look like in your home or business. As you can tell by the resolution, it records in full 1080p, so you get a really clear video. It does this at 30 frames per second, so you can see as people are walking around that it's actually a really smooth and clean picture. Now, one thing to keep in mind is that this is an audio overlay and that the camera itself does not actually record any audio.
So to recap, they are both hidden cameras. One is on your person, such as a watch, and the other one is meant to be left behind, like a clock radio, a lamp, or even a picture frame. Part of what makes SpyCentre truly the Spy Gear Superstore and sets us apart from other spy stores out there is the fact that we offer a 100% satisfaction guarantee. We've also been in business for over 20 years and have served tens of thousands of customers. Our support staff will ensure that you find the perfect product to fit your needs. We offer free ground shipping, discreet billing, free lifetime technical support, and we are also open on Saturdays to better assist you. If you guys have any questions about anything at all, please do not hesitate to reach out to us. You can find us online via live chat or by telephone at 1-800-292-7748.